With the International Humanoid Forum, we aim to build bridges between impressive technological achievements and industrial reality.
International Humanoid Forum is a place where we gather all the stakeholders who are developing and are using humanoid robotics.
With more than 300 people coming with more than 40 nationalities.
To discuss about how we can move past the hype around the humanoid robotics and physical AI.
So it's about the community and different type of stakeholders. What it is important is to have different backgrounds, different experiences that come together.
We must set the expectations right. Humanoids are not anymore science fiction, but also they're not yet plug-and-play solutions.
Because it's hardware, because it needs to interact with the physical world, it's much more complex, it's much more fragile, it's less safe. So there is so many initiatives you need to solve one by one. I do not think there's gonna be like a single ChatGPT moment, it's rather gonna be like a process.
Today's AI is not enough. Even if we pour all the money of this world in it, it has high cost, it doesn't have fast learning, and one size fits all is not good, at least in robotics.
The hardware is too brittle today. It's not flexible enough, having many motors, not to mention battery, of course.
In battery for long autonomy is needed. Otherwise, you will have robots that will be fantastic, but that will sleep after 2 hours of work.
We looked up into the challenges that are facing both industry and research in terms of humanoids, as well as the needs, what it is needed, where the community can collaborate together.
Our task is to move from fascination to integration, responsibly and strategically.
We need to think about how human and machine can work together so that we can leverage the strength of the human and the strength of the machine.
So the real question that we needed to ask, are we ready? Is the society ready for this transition? And what do we need to do to make this transition good for people and for the society we live in?